was actually called lightning wire. This is the first electric telegraph message sent by Morse code from the old Supreme Court chamber in the United States Capitol to Baltimore was "What hath God wrought?" from Numbers 23. Now, Samuel Morse and other people developed the telegraph, but it's my understanding that the Morse code was actually finally adopted by the railroad as the main course. This is a copy of the International Code, and actually this business of interrupting the impulse was long and short. For instance, on this little thing here that's fastened onto this thing. And of course, they had the people that memorized the Morse code had the little touch, and of course that went onto a wire, and the wires would have been fastened onto the pole with this type of object, which also transitioned to transfer telephone wires also. I can read, it says, the transition to the teletype and teletypewriter, a form of telegraph in which the receiver by electrical impulses prints messages typed on the keyboard of the transmitter. So finally, no more dots and dashes, and on to the telephone.